Welcome to section 11 recap. So let's recap what we looked at in section 11, which was all about arrays. So first we started off by understanding reference types. Then we started declaring arrays and we understood what an array is, and then we started to look at array declarations, and we understood how it's just basically a group of variables. And then we looked at the enhanced for statement, which can be used to access all of the elements in a specific array. And we compared the enhanced for statement with the for loop and saw what the different uses of the two different control structures are. Then we took a look at two-dimensional arrays, which are used when you want to have multiple rows and columns. With a regular array, which is a one-dimensional array, you only have one row, so that limits a program in many instances. So that's where two-dimensional arrays come in. And there was a lot of hands-on work, because the main part about arrays is that arrays are very common in programs, because you often have a group of things, a group of objects, a group of variables, a group of integers, anything. And that's where arrays really play a role. And you want to model a deck of cards, you want to model a board, you want to model anything, you need an array in order to do that. And then we also, one important thing that we reiterated was that in computer science, counting starts with 0. So first, the first number in a real world would be considered the 0th number in the computer science world. And that's something that you need to know definitely with arrays, because as you try to access different elements in an array, if you just mistakenly put a 1 instead of a 0, that can completely change the output of the program. And there we go, we've learned a lot about arrays, and we have another section down.